Hey guys!
What up, people?
Kishanell here.
Chanel.
And together we are
Kishanell. So today we are doing something really interesting. But first of all, Chanel, bring it up.
We have... It's our YouTube play button in a box!
We got our... I'll hold it, don't worry. So we got our YouTube play button and thank you so much, guys. We haven't opened it yet. Like we literally received it like 1 day ago, but we haven't opened it.
We wanted to do something special with you guys to open it.
So we are doing this challenge today in which we are going to eat this 2 times spicy chicken noodles.
Which I hear is 4 times spicier than what you see in the normal store.
That's so true. So this challenge is gonna be, we'll see who finishes first and what the winners get, baby.
So the person who finishes their spicy noodles gets to write on our YouTube play button.
Yeah, so gets to open it and gets to write his or her name on our YouTube play button.
Yeah.
Like, it's gonna be really excited. I'm super excited. I don't know how spicy they are.
I'm terrified. He's Indian. I know that I won the green chili.
Green chili, yeah.
I know I won the green chili challenge.
So we have some milk as well, so make sure that we don't die. Before we start this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and we never say this, but press that notification button.
Oh gosh, yes. You guys haven't been getting our notifications. YouTube, what are you doing?
Yeah, so press that notification button and follow us on Instagram. Let's start this video. So to prepare it, so we already opened it. So this packet had those 2 times spicy, I don't know what is it, sauce, because it's in Korean. Yeah, it's a Korean noodle. And then this is chili flakes.
Now let's just talk about how we had to travel 1 hour after Kishan had talked to every single grocery store in all of New Zealand to find these noodles.
Literally we had to drive 1 hour to find these noodles and came back.
A few inches later.
This is ready. Look how much quantity it has. Like not a lot, but let's see.
Let's see.
Oh, that looks too red.
Oh no.
Okay. Oh! It smells like spice.
It smells like death.
I'm really sweating right now.
It's literally just blood red.
Look at it.
Oh my gosh. I'm terrified. I'm a little white girl from South Dakota.
Oh my god. We are ready. So Chanel, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, I'm hungry, so. Oh my god! Wow, okay. At first it was fine. Nose running, gonna choke. God damn it.
I won.
Look at my mouth.
Oh my god. Oh.
Look at these actual tears. Oh, baby. It hurts. I've never cried from something that was spicy before.
At least
I can talk, you can't.
I won.
It's still tingly on my lips,
Okay.
but it's nothing bad anymore.
Alright, guys.
How was your experience, baby?
Look at them. How spicy they are. Chanel, you did a good job.
I did a really good job. I was surprised how good I did.
But you know, there's only one winner. in a competition, which is me. No. Time has came, guys.
These are for pretties.
Oh, I thought you did. Let me do one more.
Another one!
I hope you guys enjoyed it. I get to open it! You excited, guys? Okay. I'm so happy. Okay, you read it.
You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. You can't tell if I'm crying from sadness, happiness, or spice. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. Aww. And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do this because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off now, but you're closer than you think. We're rooting for you. This is a dream, guys. This is a dream. This is a dream.
Thank you so much, guys. Like, words can't express how lucky we feel right now. Like, we got a YouTube.
Look at it!
Yeah, sure. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at us. We can see our faces on it.
I can see my makeup crying down my face.
It's so good. It's so good.
Wow. Oh, this was a really good challenge.
This was a good challenge.
I'm happy we did it.
Okay. I really don't want to ruin it by writing my name in it. On it.
Really?
I don't want to ruin it. It's beautiful. I don't want to ruin this.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Thanks, baby.
You're welcome, baby. But as I am a winner, I get to do something.
Okay, what do you do?
So I'm gonna write my name on Chanel's face. And it's so nice.
It's so high quality.
Look at it. Chanel, you're a very emotional girl, and like, I know how this means to you.
I was kind of sad, but I wanted to play by the rules. So I was just like, okay, write on it if you want to write on it.
No, I don't want to write on it. I don't want to ruin it. But I want to write on your face. Let me ruin it.
Okay. It's fair.
How does Chanel, you look so cute. The next milestone is 1 million subscriber. I know it's a lot, but I'm pretty sure you guys will love us. We'll create content for you. We'll do literally. It's going in my eye now. Oh shit!
The spiciness?
The spiciness. Oh my god. Okay guys, it's not that much, but thanks for watching this video. Give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and press this notification button so you know what we are posting next. Stay updated. Love you, bye.
Love you.